Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys on how you can schedule your Facebook post on mobile. If you want your post to go live later instead of right now, Facebook lets you schedule it directly from your phone. Here's how. Step 1. Scheduling works only for Facebook pages and groups, not for personal profile. Open the Facebook app, go to the page or your group you manage, tap create post. Next, instead of tapping post, tap the drop down arrow next. Look for scheduling options or schedule for later. Select the date and the time if you want to post to go live. After choosing the time, tap schedule. Your post is now saved and you will automatically publish at the time you set. And that's it. You've been scheduled a Facebook post right now, right from your mobile. Perfect for planning and staying consistent. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys